What's the address here again?
1702.
All right, 1702
31st Ave.
31st Ave. Running the camera from the backflow preventer towards the main sewer line. So, let's see if I can get past this here. Man, there's some serious obstruction there. Might have to go. There we go. Is this what you're looking for? Some like root intrusion at all, Alan, or just want to see where?
Like any imperfections in where the pipes connect.
Mm-hmm.
If the pipes damaged, like from. If there's any way that's where the water could be kind of coming from, just I guess check the integrity of it, and then really I need to know how long it is.
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna come back real quick again, and then I'm gonna zero it out.
And then it splits into a Y around here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
So it goes into that room and then kind of diagonal that way.
Okay.
So this isn't one of those deals where like you could, if you stand above it, you know where it is.
Oh yeah, I can locate it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I can locate it. But what I'm gonna do is zero out real quick. So from this point that way, it's gonna give me a direct measurement of surface footage. And then I can locate it if you want me to, so I got that in my van. Okay, so I got a little bit of root intrusion there. Obviously what we've just seen. Looks okay. So this is like a transition to my roots. 6 feet. Looks like it's ABS. All brand new. They use the black pipe down there, Alan?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I guess it's not crazy there's roots, right?
No, it was just at the beginning.
It's a perforated pipe, so
you can't really have root intrusion on the perforated pipe. So I'm thinking that might be residual, or somehow whenever they tied it in, they didn't. You know what I mean? They're in between the pipe. I don't know how that got in there. We'll look right on the way back. You see a little bit, coming in from the top. It could just be the plastic. Okay, so we're coming up to what do we got here? We got daylight. Okay, here's our Y. Goes to the right. Actually, this is not a Y. This is a 45. So that's. Excuse me. There we go.
So did that make the turn?
Yeah, I made the turn, yeah. Now we're going to keep going. We're out 16 feet.
16 feet?
Yeah.
So it must be over here. I guess the Y.
It turned this way. So we're going this way now.
Maybe it's not a Y, maybe it just turned.
That was just a 45 that I just turned on. So we're out 19, 20 feet. Pipe looks good. With the exception of when I first went down there, but the pipe looks good.
So what's up? That's just
so these are your connections,
yeah,
right? This is where your glue, your connections, and your fittings. So it looks good. I'm thinking that this stuff in here, Alan, is just like the inside of the pipe. Like sometimes it's like a manufactured plastic thing.
Yeah.
So they look like roots. Got a little bit of water there. It's going in the right direction now. So we're at 27 feet. Coming up to another, I believe that's where we are stopped at there. That's it. So that's a clean out cap there. That's where it ends. At 33 feet 7 inches.
And that turn, was it like 16 or 18 feet or something like that?
Yeah, it'll be all videoed, so you can.
Alright. Yeah, there's a cleanup thing over there. There should be.
Yeah, that's where the head of my camera is at.
Okay.
So it's a clean out cap. So at 33 feet, do you want me to bring my locator and locate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see where that's at.
All right.
I think what I'm going to do is stop recording and then I'll